Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and full face tutorial on the Pacifica Beauty Alighten Natural Radiance Powders palette. They do have another palette, but this one is the Alighten option. It's very neutral. It retails for $18 at Ulta Beauty, which is where I purchased it from. As you can see, the palette is holographic. It's super cute. It has a plastic kind of top, so it isn't that much protected, but I feel like it's so lightweight that if you drop it, that the actual product won't break. But it also doesn't come with a mirror. The best thing about this palette, in my opinion, is the formula of the actual products and the actual size of all the product that you get for $18. So let's get into this swatch part of the video. Here are the 4 shades. You get a matte sunset matte shade, a desert matte shade, 2 highlighters, a rose gold shimmer, and a glimmer shimmer. So these 2 are the highlighters. One is like an icy champagne and the other one's a rose gold. Then we have the blush and the contour shade, and that's very neutral, and I would almost compare it to the Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. And then the contour shade, which I would compare to maybe the KKW Beauty medium contour shade. I feel like it's a very cool tone brown shade, so I wouldn't use it as a bronzer, but I definitely love this as a contour. It's so perfect, and as you can see, it sculpts so effortlessly. You can use a lot of product and it just melts into the skin. And as you can see, again, I'm just contouring the outer parts of my face, the hollows of my cheeks, the sides of my forehead, and I believe this is my favorite part of the palette, the contour shade, the desert matte, and I definitely recommend that one for sure. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the blush part, and this is the Japanesque blush brush that I'm using to just use all over the cheekbones, because I feel like it's almost so neutral that it blends so well with a contour shade. So I do believe that it's paired well in the palette. So now we're going to move on to the rose gold, and because it's kind of a deeper shade, I don't think it's best for lighter skin tones, but if you have medium to tan skin, it would work for you, and just a little bit blended over the cheeks is pretty what I recommend for applying that. And then the Glimmer Shimmer, which is the lightest highlighter, I'm just kind of pinpointing on the top of my nose, the tip of my nose, the Cupid's bow, the inner corners, the brow bone, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with a fan brush and highlight the high points of the cheekbones. And this is definitely friendly for all skin tones, I believe. It's very light and blends very well as well, and it's my second favorite part of the palette. But here's a close-up of all of this whole palette on my eyes. I use the lightest champagne highlighter on the middle of the eyelid, and then the rose gold on the outer of the eyelid. I use the contour shade as the transition, and I also use a little bit of that sunset matte blush shade just to warm it up a little tiny bit. But that is all created with this palette, and it's such an affordable palette. It's a drugstore palette, has really great quality. It's vegan and cruelty free, and that was my video. Hope it helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.